Immunity is the ability of an organism to resist infection from a microbial pathogen or any foreign substance. Immunity can be broadly classified into two main categories: innate immunity, adaptive or acquired immunity. Innate immunity is inborn immunity that is present in an organism from birth, whereas adaptive or acquired immunity, it develops during the lifetime. Innate and adaptive immunity have many differences. We will discuss some of the major differences. The first difference is specificity. Innate immunity is non-specific. It is not specific for a particular microbial pathogen or an antigen, whereas adaptive immunity is highly specific. That means it will show a highly specific response to a specific microbial pathogen, or rather a specific antigen. Innate immunity has a fast response. It is very fast. You can see the immune response within hours, whereas adaptive immunity is slow. The response can be seen over a period of days. When we talk about diversity, the diversity is limited in innate immunity, right? That means it can act only on few microorganisms or few foreign substances. It is not very diverse. It cannot act on many different antigens, whereas adaptive immunity is highly diverse. It can act on a wide variety of antigens. There is something called immunological memory. Immunological memory is nothing but the immune system can actually remember a previous infection and will respond in a faster and in a quicker way. In a much heightened immune response can be mounted the second time. That is immunological memory, which is absent in innate immunity, whereas memory is present in acquired or adaptive immunity. In fact, immunological memory is one of the most important features of adaptive or acquired immunity, right? That means the body can actually remember a previous infection and it can show a quicker and heightened response the next time. The cells that actually participate in innate immunity are usually phagocytic cells. Phagocytes, right? Phagocytes like PMNs, that is neutrophil cells, or macrophages. Whereas in adaptive immunity, the main cells are T cells and B cells. Now, innate immunity, it is found in both vertebrates and invertebrates, whereas adaptive or acquired immunity is specifically found only in jawed vertebrates, that is only in higher organisms. So these are some of the main differences between innate and adaptive or acquired immunity.